My son is Troy O'Neill, he's 4. He was diagnosed early enough at the age of 2 with autism because he was profound autistic. He's then been diagnosed with global developmental delay and epilepsy as well in the last 6 months. He likes to jump, he likes to spin, he likes to use loads of energy, he likes numbers, colours, blocks, and he loves doing jigsaws, and he likes painting as well.
And how hard has it been trying to get a place for Troy in school?
It's been an absolute nightmare. Like every week you get a list so long of everything in Dublin 7 and in the Dublin surrounding areas. You have to find their email yourself, their phone number yourself, their application forms yourself. They're all different dates. So you could get one in May, you could get one in June, you could get one, and you have to keep an account of every single one of them, or else you can miss dates. And then you're applying over and over again. I've applied to 30 plus schools, some up to an hour away, that I know will put me under a lot of stress. But if that's going to screw my skill pace, then I'll have to do that. If he's not in the correct skill placement, then he's not going to get the things that meet his needs. Like in other words, he will more than likely need a one-on-one SNA. He'll need a specialised skill setting, but to try get that is impossible. There is no places. I've applied for every single one in the area. I've got refused everywhere. I've 2 or 3 left, and the likelihood of getting them is very, very slim.